This is the big one we've been prepping for. We have a winter storm warning coming in here at Peyton's Place Farm tonight. 6 to 12 inches. We have freezing rain on top of that. We got sleet. For us, this is the one. Let's go.
All right, we have Sheila, Alaska, our 2 goats. We have to get them inside. They're pretty unfazed by the cold right now. It's about 14 degrees at current. It's gonna drop significantly overnight. It's gonna really pick up with precipitation. We don't know if it's gonna be snow or sleet, probably a combo of both. But we, regardless, are gonna get them in this stall, okay? So we have our barn stall set up. Like I said, they are pretty unfazed. I'm luring them in with some food. Let's get you in, boy and girl. Come on. Sheila, Alaska, let's go. Now, the issue is they don't listen to me, but it's kind of a dire sitch. Come on, Sheila. Let's go.
Show them the food.
Come here, baby. Sheila. Come on, girl. Come on. Hey, I'm TV. Welcome to Sheila and Alaska's crib. So this is our barn stall. This is actually where I usually give Alaska his baths. Alaska is a special needs goat. He needs pretty regular baths, so I'll get into that in another video. But he's used to this area. I think he's a lot more accustomed than Sheila is. Sheila's finding it a little bit more, but overall, they're doing pretty well in here. They're pretty comfortable. We are at about 14 degrees tonight. In here, it doesn't feel as bad. Like it really, the insulation helps. This is insulated. It's not heated, but it's insulated. And I think that's good. The most important thing for goats, because they're pretty hardy and they're pretty well insulated with their fur. So the cold isn't so bad. It's more the wind and then any kind of moisture. So the snow, the sleet, etc. Rain they hate. Hi, babes. Yes, Lucy loves Alaska. So we just have to keep them out of any kind of snow situation. We don't know exactly what we're gonna get, but they're pretty set up in here. We'll see. Right, Lucy? Yeah. We'll see how it goes. We're jacking it up.
All right. Peyton's Place, Blizzard 2026. Watch us take Ethel inside. All right, so we're in the height of the storm right now. We've transitioned from a full-on snow to this wintry mix. When it comes to ice, that's what we're the most worried about. But let's go check in on our guys and see how they did overnight. Peyton's Place. Goats? They're alive. What a snowstorm, Pop Tart. Pop Tart. Come on, Ethel. Let's get you some food. Pop Tart, come here. Come on, Pop Tart. I see you got a stick in your head. Come here, Pop Tart. Come here, Pop Tart. Come on. So we got our snow, we got our ice, we have our shelter nice and dry for Ethel and Pop Tart. We put lots of straw down, and then we're just giving them surplus hay. Pop Tart, I noticed from my bedroom window, spent most of the night in the shelter, but since we're here, he's being a little standoffish. But I want him to eat his breakfast, which we had. You can see Ethel's eating some of hers. he's being standoffish, so we're going to go back inside, and I guarantee you he comes over and eats his breakfast. Right, Pop Tart? Heel. 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 Let me see. I'm getting the goat's water. Seems like the well's a little slow today. Hand fed him his bouncer, and you know, when we're in his run-in, he doesn't want to go in there, but I bet you if you turn your head around that corner, he's making his way up there right about now. Let's see how our ghost made it through the night.
Hi, babes.
So they knocked their water over last night, so let's try to put it in a level place where that doesn't happen again.
Hi, love girl. Hello.
We can let him out this afternoon. Goats are doing good. The barn went well. They seemed a little upset about it at first, but
You're a little vocal.
now they seem to really be enjoying it. Isn't that right? Let's go check on our chickens. So this is our chickens' first big snow reaction, but let's see how they like it. Good morning, ladies. But first, breakfast. Man, they're pooping, man. So chickens, out of all of our animals, are the easiest keepers. We essentially feed them. You give them water. Honestly, even if you don't feed them, they're going to do great. We average between 4 to 6 eggs per day with our 6 chickens, depending. Sometimes they try to hide their eggs in our yard. But yeah, they're easy keepers. Like I said, they're going to eat. I'm just as curious as you guys are to see how they go out in the snow or if they just hang out in the coop all day. So we'll soon to find out.